Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll focus on meal planning for muscle gain and high-protein nutrition, perfect for anyone looking to build strength, improve performance, or tone their body. Gaining muscle isn't just about lifting weights. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients, in the right amounts, at the right times. Let's start with the basics. To build muscle, your body needs a calorie surplus. That means consuming slightly more calories than you burn. But quality matters. You want to eat nutrient-dense foods that provide the building blocks your muscles need to grow. Step 1. Calculate your calorie needs. Take your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE, and add about 300 to 500 calories per day. This creates a controlled surplus that supports muscle gain without excess fat. Step 2. Prioritize protein. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle growth. Aim for 6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Spread it evenly across your meals to maximize muscle protein synthesis. Step 3. Choose high-quality protein sources. These include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish, eggs and dairy products, plant-based proteins like tofu, tempeh, lentils, and beans, and supplemental sources like whey or pea protein shakes. Step 4. Balance your macros. A great starting point is 40% carbohydrates, 30% protein, and 30% healthy fats. Carbs fuel your workouts, protein builds muscle, and fats support hormone function and recovery. Step 5. Plan your meals around your workouts. Eat a balanced meal with carbs and protein about 2 to 3 hours before training to fuel performance. After your workout, have a protein-rich meal or shake within an hour to support recovery and muscle repair. Step 6. Eat consistently. Aim for 4 to 6 smaller meals per day rather than 2 or 3 large ones. This keeps your metabolism active and provides a steady supply of nutrients for muscle growth. Step 7. Focus on whole, nutrient-rich foods. Include complex carbohydrates like oats, brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes, healthy fats like nuts, seeds, avocado, and olive oil, and plenty of colorful vegetables for vitamins and antioxidants. Step 8. Stay hydrated. Muscle tissue is about 75% water, and even mild dehydration can affect strength and recovery. Aim for at least 3 liters of water daily, more if you train intensely. Step 9. Plan easy, high-protein snacks. Keep Greek yogurt, boiled eggs, cottage cheese, protein bars, and smoothies on hand for quick refueling. Step 10. Prep your meals ahead. Batch cook proteins like chicken or tofu, roast vegetables, and prepare carb sources in bulk. Store them in labeled containers for grab-and-go convenience. Step 11. Track your progress. Monitor your weight, strength, and body composition over time. If you're not gaining muscle, slightly increase your calories by 100 to 200 per day. Step 12. Get enough sleep. Recovery happens when you rest, not just when you train. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to allow your muscles to rebuild and grow stronger. Step 13. Use supplements strategically. Protein powder, creatine, and omega-3s can support your nutrition, but whole foods should always come first. Step 14. Stay patient and consistent. Muscle gain takes time. Focus on steady progress, not quick fixes. Small daily improvements in your nutrition and training will compound over time. Here's your quick recap. Create a slight calorie surplus. Eat high-protein meals consistently. Plan around your workouts and focus on recovery. When you fuel your body with intention, your results follow naturally. In the next lesson, we'll explore meal planning for plant-based diets, showing you how to get all the protein, energy, and nutrients you need from plants. Let's build strength from the inside out.